Good afternoon, friends, and welcome back to my kitchen. So today I'm going to show you something that hubby just got me. I was just asking him for a iced coffee maker because I love having iced coffee, especially when it's hot outside. So summer is coming, it gets super hot here. Nothing is more refreshing than a large cup of iced coffee. So he went ahead and bought me this. We're gonna go ahead and open it up and give it a try for the first time and see how we like this particular iced coffee maker. So come on along while we open this up. All right, friends, so in your box when you get it, it's going to come with your mason jar, your lid, your very large filter, instructions, and a brush so that you can clean your filter and your jar. All right, so now this is really super easy to make. So we've got our filter and we're gonna go ahead and add in our coffee. So depending on how you like your coffee, do you like it super like dark and rich, then you're gonna add quite a bit of coffee. And you want to make sure you use like a good coarsely ground coffee. And that's what this is. So I've got that in there. Now you're going to go ahead and pour in your water. And do this part slow. Try to cover all of those coffee grounds. You can see the color's already starting to change. And going with our lid. Now this, we're gonna go ahead and stick this in the refrigerator for 24 to 48 hours if you like a really intense flavor. If you want more of a mild flavor, then 12 to 24 hours. You can either do it on the countertop or in the fridge. I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the fridge and then we'll come back sometime tomorrow and see how it looks. All right, friends, after 24 hours, here is our iced coffee. So we're gonna go ahead and remove the top and take out our filter. And I'm gonna transfer it into this cup for now. And then you're gonna go ahead and put your lid back on. And there we go, we've got our cold brew. I don't know about you, but that looks pretty good. All right, let's give this a try. All right, friends, so let's go in and give this iced coffee a try and see how it tastes. Oh yeah, that's strong. That's super strong. Oh man, that's how I like it. I love iced coffee. All right, friends, definitely got to give this a try. I will put this down in the description in my channel of where you can get it on Amazon. I love it. I think this is gonna work out great, especially with summer right around the corner. You don't want to be drinking hot coffee. Iced coffee, that's the way to go. So friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends and family. As always, I hope all is well and have a blessed day.